It's almost lunchtime. I have to go home. Anyway, I already sold 3/5 of the 7.5 kilograms of petchay. Perhaps I could sell the rest to my neighbors. If I harvested 7.5 kilograms of petchay and I sold 3/5 of it, how many kilograms did I sell? Let's analyze and solve the problem. To find 3/5 of 7.5 kilograms, we multiply 3/5 by 7.5. Our equation will look like this. 3/5 times 7.5 equals n. In multiplying fractions, we need to transform mixed fractions into improper fractions. In our equation, we need to transform 7.5 to an improper fraction. We do this by multiplying the denominator 2 by the whole number 7 and adding the numerator 1. Retaining the denominator, we then get the improper fraction 15/2. So 7.5 is equal to 15/2. Our new equation will now read 3/5 times 15/2. Recall how easy it is to multiply fractions. Simply multiply the numerators to get the numerator of the product and multiply the denominators to get the denominator of the product. Then, simplify your answer or reduce the fraction to its lowest term. Did you get 9/2 as the answer? Another way of multiplying fractions is through the use of the cancellation method. To do this, simply divide the numerator and the denominator by their greatest common factor, or GCF. Let's look at our equation again. Can you name the factors of each number in the fractions? Let's first look at the factors of 3 and 5. The factors of 3 are 1 and 3. The factors of 5 are 1 and 5. Next, we look at the factors of 15 and 2. The factors of 15 are 1, 15, 3, and 5. The factors of 2 are 1 and 2. 3 and 2 don't have a common factor. 5 and 15 have a common factor. Their greatest common factor is 5. The next step is to divide 5 and 15 by their GCF, which is 5. 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. Our new equation is now 3 times 3/2. Multiply the numerators and the denominators and we get the answer 9/2. We then express this product in its simplest form. 9 divided by 2 is equal to 4.5. Therefore, 3/5 of 7.5 is equal to 4.5. I was able to sell 4.5 kilograms of petchay.